Thank you so much.
Static. Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
God bless.
God bless you sa inyo. Thank you. Keep it up. Cagayan represent, yo. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Salamat, ma'am. Salamat. Hope to see you again next time.
Small message.
Message. Static. You guys doing great, man. Keep it up, alright? God bless you all. I hope like you still do what you have to do for him. Alright guys, thank you. Keep it up. God bless you all.
Ano ba, ecstatic message for you guys. Dami ko na sinabi sa inyo kung mamiss ko man, basta yung isa sa mga sinabi ko sa group sa tropa nyo, pinaka-importante message ng All Stars. Kalimutan nyo man kami, o wala man kami sa industriya ng All Stars, huwag nyo siyang kalimutan. You guys know what I'm talking about. You guys know who I'm talking about. Y'all stay with him, man. Your life will be off the hook. Okay? Sa best friend lang sa taas, pinaka-importante. Not even dancing. Wala, bali wala yun. You live your life. You live your life for him. Yun na yun. Alright? So, salamat sa inyo. Thank you guys for inspiring us, for reminding us to keep our eyes on the sky and feet on the ground. Okay, so God bless sa inyo. God bless sa buong Cagayan de Oro. So, peace, one love, God bless.
Thank you.
Joshua, alis na kami.
Salamat. All Stars. Yeah.
All Stars. Good luck next week. Support
Good luck sa competition nyo next week. Mananalo kayo. You know.
Bahala na siya, men. Kung di manalo, okay lang yun.
Wala problema.
Okay pa rin.